Just give me a few minutes of your time. I'm going to show you that YouTube Shorts is actually one of the fastest ways you can get your monetization in 2025. Please do not believe the lies that Shorts kills your channel. I'm going to show you my analytics right now, and you're going to see how I was able to gather a lot of watch time hours, subscribers for myself in just 3 days using YouTube Shorts. At the end of this video, we'll now conclude if Shorts actually kills your channel or builds your channel. Let's go over to my analytics. Let me show you something. So who said again that Shorts does not give watch time hours? Who says Shorts is a waste of time? Let me take you to one of the Shorts I made. Which day? That's the Shorts. That Shorts currently have the highest number of views. So you can see my Shorts. This one has over 1K. That's not even the one I'm looking at. Let's go to the one that's giving me 3,000 views. So let me click on this. Let's go through my analytics. So one of the ways you can actually get views on YouTube very fast is that can also translate to watch time hours as well, is getting Shorts, going through the short route, right? So this short actually has 47 seconds. It is actually an AI short that I posted. I got it from Instagram and then I posted it. So moving forward, this short has given me I posted this short on the 16th of August. What's today's date? Today's date is 19, like 3 days ago. And it has, you can see, 3 days and 18 hours. It has given me 3.3k views. Okay, and I'm going to be analyzing everything in this video. So it gave me 3.3k views, 52 likes. Now, let's go into the full analytics. So you can see it. Okay, so if you scroll down, so the short is actually 47 seconds and they watched up to 30 seconds. Even if you post a long form video and they're able to watch up to 30 seconds, YouTube will see it that yes, you tried. Imagine when a short is people are watching a short for up to 30 seconds. That means that out of 100%, 65.5% stayed to watch it. Now, one thing you also need to note about shorts is that they have percentage of people that stays to watch and percentage of people that clicks away. Okay, so it is actually that percentage of people that stays to watch that YouTube is looking at. So you can see that this short is actually still gaining momentum. Like it's literally still gaining momentum. I posted it. This is over 3 days, 18 hours. And you can see I got 1.3k views from the shorts feed. YouTube search, I got 29 views. Suggested videos 2, channel page 3, browse features 1. Okay. So it is still gaining momentum. With the way I'm seeing this video, by the grace of God, it can just like be a viral shot. So if we go to the reach, let's go to the reach session. If you click on reach here, you can see, scroll down, reach. You can see these are where the views are coming from. 96% came from the short feeds. 2.5% came from YouTube search. Okay, 0.7% came from channel pages, browse features, blah blah blah. So these are basically YouTube search terms that people are literally searching for videos like that. Okay, content suggesting the shorts. This is a video I made yesterday. And it's also suggesting it as well. So if we go to the engagement part, let's see how well it was engaged. Now, you see what I was talking about? 1.8k people engaged. Like 1.8k people. This is actually a very successful shot. You see, it's not just that 3,000 people that viewed it. It's not that 3,000 people actually engaged it. It means that 3,000 people clicked on it. So why? Out of that 3,000 people that clicked on it, 32% did not stay to watch. They just swiped away. Why 67.1% stayed to watch it? And that is how you get engaged views. This is 7.1% people that watch it are the people that engaged the video, and up to 1.8 people. So, I don't know, people that are saying shorts will kill your channel, shorts will do this one, shorts will do that one. Please don't listen to that advice. YouTube that actually brought this shorts feature, brought it for them to help you. And if it is going to kill your channel, YouTube is not going to bring it. So please post strategic shots and don't just post any random shots. I don't know if you want me to make a video on how I'm able to come up with shots that people actually watch and engages with, then drop at the comment section. If I don't see it, I'm not going to make the video. So please post shots strategically. 47 seconds, watch it for up to 13 seconds. You get? So, if we come to this audience part now, you see unique viewers, 1.1k. They still returned to my channel because of that shot. You get? And most times, I don't just post shots based on my long form videos alone. I also post shots that people are going to engage with. So if basically you want to attract people to your channel, you want to get your 1,000 subscribers very fast and your 4,000 watch time hours very fast, your shorts can actually contribute. I'm going to show you the amount of watch time hours I was able to get from shorts alone. So you can see they did not just watch that video alone. They also watched my other videos. So this is one thing short can actually do for you. Shorts can actually bring people to check your channels. If they watch a particular video and they like it, they want to go deeper to your channel to see what you're doing there. Okay? So you can see they had to watch my other shorts. And this is a long form video I did. They also watched my shorts, my long form video, not just my shorts. Okay, so these are the people, device type, people that watched it, and these are their ages. So your analytics is going to show you all of this. And people came from India, Philippines, blah, blah, blah. I got 10 subscribers from shorts alone. 10 subscribers from shorts. So imagine if I didn't do these shorts, where is all the subscribers going to come from? I even want to see, the number of watch time I got. So let's look at the watch time. So if you come to this engagement now, 1.1k people came back to watch my channel. You can see I got over 17 watch hours. 17 watch hours from that short. Who says short does not give watch hours? See, okay, I feel like the only time they say it won't give you, the short is going to give you watch hours, but you have to combine it with your long form videos. Combine your shorts with your long form videos and you are going to get the views. So before I even start posting shorts, I post long form videos. After posting my long form videos, I can then convert it to shorts and then I will post it. And any day I don't post long form videos every day. I don't even have that part because I still have to make my research, come up with video ideas. Okay. And any day I'm not able to do that, what I do is I upload shorts. So I upload up to 2 to 3 shots every day. And out of those 2 to 3 shots I upload, 2 of them can actually do so well. Just like the day I uploaded this one that is up to 3k views now. I think I just uploaded 3 videos. And then I was like, God, let one of them just go viral. And boom, we have this one that is actually getting views up to this very moment. You can see they watch up to 32 seconds. So please upload shorts. Upload shorts is actually very, very important, but be strategic about it. Be strategic about it. You don't know which one is going to pay you off. Shorts is actually going to attract people to your channel to watch your other videos. And don't just upload random shorts because people are going to just swipe away like that. Upload shorts that are engaging and also has lesson to learn or are able to entertain people. For this one is just for the purpose of entertainment.